we will talk about conversation. Do you remember last topic? Yes, it was about isolation. If you don't want to be isolated, you need to talk with your friends and family so that you could be released from the isolation.
First, we are going to listen to a short message from one professor in IPRC about the importance of conversation. After that, we will share a short story. Then two special guests will help us to find solutions not only in this story but also in our daily life problems.
So, let's begin our talk show.
Hello, my name is Donatien. I'm from Rwanda. I think conversation is useful in our life because when you talk to your friends, when you talk to your family members, when you talk to people, sometimes they may learn from your experience or you learn from them, or at least they may feel your heart will feel a relief. If you give a conversation, if you talk to people, share your experience, share the bad things you're going through, it will help you avoid depression, avoid any kind of circumstances that will keep you down with that kind of situation. So if you share your experience, if you talk to people, it's good, it helps you. For at least you may feel relieved, you may feel your heart will be open and you can overcome those kind of challenges you are facing. If you talk to your, for example, church members, they will help you, they will pray for you, they will keep you in their prayers and they will pray with you so that at least you may forget some of the challenges you are going through. When you talk to your members, your family members, they will also know how to comfort you, they will know how to take care of you, they will know how to help you through what you are going through. If you don't talk to people, you keep all the problems with you, you keep all the chances with you. There should be some people who should advise you on how to take your opportunities, on how to overcome the challenges, and the people who should share their experiences with you so that you can learn from them and know what to do next in your future life. Thank you very much.
There was one woman. Her name is Jennifer. And one day, she got raped by one brother. After that, she told this truth to the senior manager. But that time, many people didn't believe what Jennifer said because the young man was so believable to all people in that compound. That's why, even though Jennifer told the truth, many people didn't believe what she said. When she realized that no matter how hard she tried to speak out about the truth, there was no change. She gave up everything and looked up her heart to everyone.
If you were Jennifer's friend, how would you console her?
When we face problems, many times we tend to close our hearts and we don't want to have conversation with other people. But because of this, we cannot solve that problem. Let's say, for example, there was an accident and because of the flood, your people died through this blood. That is the water. So do you mean that we not use water anymore? I don't think so. Once we experience this tragedy, yes, we are sad and we have sorrowful hearts because of our loved ones. But we cannot stop using water because water is still needed in our life. Even sometimes we get accidents like electricity burn our houses, even we may lose people. But still we need electricity. That's why even conversation is needed. Let me tell you, if you have any problem, to solve it smoothly, you need to have conversation with other people. Because in the hearts of people, there are different solutions. In my heart and your heart, it's different. But once we talk, once you have conversation, there are precious things which are in my heart you don't have, and you have also precious things I don't have. That's why through conversation we can get many solutions of our problems. Even the problem of Jennifer was like this. Even my problem is same, because once I talk to other people, once I open up my heart and talk to other people, through this mindset to challenge my problems through conversation, I can get many solutions. That's why today I want to tell you that you just try step by step. First, open up your heart and start to talk little by little. By just exercising, doing this one by one, I'm sure that your problems will get solved. Actually, the problems young people have are not difficult at all. Once they talk to their parents, their friends, it's very simple to get the solutions. So I want to tell you that if you have any problem, maybe the problem which is similar to the problem Jennifer faced, or it might be bigger than that, but however big it's that problem, I'm sure that once you find a mentor or somebody you can tell, somebody you can have conversation with, this problem will get solved. I believe that this is the true solution and remedy of our hearts and our minds. Through conversation, we can gain the wisdom we didn't have before. Through the conversation, we can get the bigger world we didn't have before. I hope that you don't ignore this conversation, because once you open up your hearts to the people around you, either your parents, either your colleagues or your friends, you will see that they have a lot of potential to help you in the problems. Please do not just rush to the conclusion that I not speak about my heart because of this and that. Because once you do this, the problem becomes bigger and bigger. Then speak about your heart, and you will see that you will find the solution through this conversation. I'll be happy to hear that some of you tried and they get solutions. Thank you very much. I speak up to him.
Did you have any experience when you had those problems? You had solved those problems by conversations, right? If you are experienced, could you explain your situation, how to overcome the problem?
N'ubu nararibonye narahuye nabwo mu byerekeranye no gukemura ibibazo, naba narahuye nabyo binyuze mu kuganira cyangwa mu gukora fellowship. Ibibazo nk'ibyo nagiye mpura nabyo, kandi binyuze mu kuganira no gukorana ubusabane na fellowship na bene data cyangwa n'umushumba, nagiye mbasha kubirenga. Kuva nakwakira agakiza mu 2012 nahuye n'ibibazo byinshi, ariko icyangoye kurusha ibindi ni uburwayi nahuye nabwo mu 2016. Icyo gihe nahuye n'uburwayi bw'umwingo, ariko icyo gihe nibwiraga yuko ndwaye umutima. Ubwo abantu bo mu itorero bose bambonaga babonye ubuzima bwanjye bwarahindutse, kuko mu cyumweru kimwe natakaje ibiro 20, mva ku biro 80 ngira ibiro 60. Uwo munsi nahuye naje kugira ubuntu mpora na pasiteri ko turaganira, nawe ubwe ntiyarazi icyo yamfasha. Yatangiye gukubitiriza hirya no hino abaza abaganga bo muri Korea kugira ngo bamenye neza uburwayi byimbitse ku burwayi icyo gihe nari ndwaye. Icyo gihe hari umudokiteri watwemerera ubufasha, ariko bigeze aho ngaho ari njyewe na pasiteri ibyo bintu ntitwabikurikirana. Ese impamvu ntabikurikiranye no kubera iki? Icya mbere kimwe, ubwo burwayi kubuvura bwari buhenze cyane. Hano mu Rwanda imiti bambwiraga ntabwo najyaga nyibona, ariko nageze aho ubwo burwayi ndabwihorera na pasiteri arabwihorera. Maze kubona yuko pasiteri abyihoreye, nahise mvuga ngo ubwo pasiteri abyihoreye ubwo nta kibazo kibirimo. Icyo gihe nagiye nizera ko ubwo burwayi ndwaye atari ubwo kunyica, ari ubwo kugira ngo Uwiteka ahimbazwe. Kugeza ubu ngubu ubwo burwayi naje kubukira, ko naje kubona ubwishingizi bw'ubuzima muri kampani nakoreraga mbere y'uko covid iza. Muri make covid yahagaze nubwo bwishingizi bumaze kumvuza uburwayi burangiye. Nshobora kuvuga n'ikindi cya kabiri. Icya kabiri ni uko mu buzima bwanjye bwo kuvuga ubutumwa bwiza ntabwo najyaga mbasha gutera intambwe ngo mvuge ubutumwa bwiza mu ruhame, ariko muri iyo kampani babwiye nakoreraga naje kujya mbona abandi bantu bababwiriza ubutumwa bwiza, njye nkabanza kwicecekera kubera ko najyaga nsuzugura iminota baduhaga. Ni ubuhamya nkunda gutanga kubera yuko ni ubuhamya bwagiye bukora kuri bene data ndetse no ku mushumba ubwe. Icyo gihe naje kubona yuko ibyo abisi bigisha ari ibintu bidafite agaciro, kandi iyo minota mike yanasuzuguraga iminota 5 bo bakayibyaza umusaruro mu kwangiza imitima y'abantu. Icyo gihe nabaje kwibuka ijambo pasiteri yatubwiye yuko uhaye umwana imbunda muto utazi kurasa akoze muri teriga, ahantu hose iyo mbunda yaba yerekeje yarasa umuntu kandi igahamya mu kigo. Ni mubwo buryo naje gutekereza ko iyo minota 5 nayibyaza umusaruro kandi abantu bakakira agakiza. Niko byagenze rwose, ntizembye mu magambo ngo buhamye narabutanze. Navuyeyo mbere ko covid iza, abantu benshi bari bamaze kwakira agakiza kandi ndacyabona feedback zimbwira yuko bagikeneye kumva ijambo ry'Imana. Murakoze.
Lastly, could you please give them advices? Even now, many people think conversations are not needed in their lives.
Nasoza rero ntanga inama kuri bene data yuko kuganira n'umushumba cyangwa kuganira na mwene so ari ikintu cy'agaciro cyane, kubera yuko iyo mwene so cyangwa umushumba yumvishe ibiri mu mutima wawe, amenya aho ahera agufasha, amenya intege nke zawe aho ziri akagufasha. Na ndetse umuntu uwo ari we wese ubuhamya utanze nawe ubwe buramwigisha, ntabwo birangira kugira ngo wakwigishe cyangwa nawe akwigiraho. Ubuhamya rero cyangwa se kuganira, gukorana fellowship ni ikintu cy'agaciro kubera yuko impande zombi zibyungukiramo. Murakoze.
Thank you for watching our video. Also, you could give your opinion about today's topic through Facebook comments. Thank you so much and see you next time.